Hello and welcome. In today's video, I'm going to demonstrate how to replace the key fob battery in this Mercedes remote key fob. First thing what we need to do is remove the emergency key fob blade out the bottom of the fob. We do so by pressing this button here, which releases the catch, and then it should slide out the bottom of the fob like so. Now what we need to do is remove this cover here. Again, we press this button here, which releases the catch, and the case should just pop off, like so. The key fob battery is situated in this housing here. We need to remove this housing to gain access to the key fob. So we get a little screwdriver and just, for a little bit of help, and just prise the housing out. And it should just slide out. There is your key fob battery. This key fob takes a battery with a part number of CR2032, like this one. We simply get our new key fob battery and we just pop it back into the housing. On this particular one, we make sure that the writing is facing downwards, like that, and we know it's in its correct position. Now it's time to put it back together. You can only pop it back in one way, so we just slide it back in, like so. Now we just get the cover, pop it back on, and we just pop the blade back into the bottom. And there you go, it's all done.